Hello friends, so Karthik Srinivas here. Today we are going to discuss regarding the topic the groundwater survey. We all know we have a survey method called the satellite survey. In groundwater survey, GRACE, the NASA radar satellite was used by GRACE for interpreting the groundwater mapping. The same procedure is followed by Bowen. And these maps give us an idea about the terrain selection to understand the topography or the geomorphology about the area where we are going to conduct a survey. So these includes the geographical information system, wherein in case of average rainfall ratio is recorded, these data are matched with the satellite survey to perform the groundwater survey activity, wherein when we are using the equipment based surveys. So satellite surveys give us a brief record before we start the survey. At the second phase, we use the equipment surveys and we have various technologies in selecting an equipment for a preferred location. So while we are selecting a preferred equipment for groundwater survey, we need to understand the concept about how the technology works and will that be suitable for the particular area. A single machine cannot be used everywhere because the geology is not compromised. It is keep on changing each and every meter. So from the beginning, the era where we were using electrical survey equipment is called the vertical electrical sounder. Using the vertical electrical sounding, we were basically using Werner array or this Lemberger array, wherein we used to conduct the electrical resistance survey. The recorded resistance with the multiplied K value was giving us the ohms. These final ohms was generated as a graph to understand whether the selected station can be drilled for getting the groundwater. The second, developing this into the next scenario, they brought into the market called a locator, wherein a locator can only identify a preferred station, wherein it is not involved in identifying the groundwater. The equipment is only involved in identifying a magnetically deferred zone, which is called a magnetically deferred station. So after the locator is being used, we used to use some detectors. So the second stage of detector came to the market for VLF survey. The VLF survey was transmitting frequencies from one end and receiving at the other end to understand the differences in the formations at subsurfaces. Next, we have in the market the three-stage survey equipment, which is called a 3D locator, which comes with 5 various technologies. One technology to identify a point, second technology to identify the differences in the field, magnetic field. Third, we have a technology to check the formations. Fourth, the technology to understand the lithology of the structure, the formational changes, the fracture, rock strength, permeability, salinity. This is one of the advanced equipment. Bringing this to still most advanced, we brought it to the Tesla, wherein the Tesla equipment is one of the first equipment which works on ELF, the extremely low frequency technology, wherein frequencies are transmitted and received via multi-channel to decrease the noise data. The recorded data are further plotted to a curve graph. The curve graph is further plotted to a layer map. The layer map is easily understandable. These layer map brought into the market with a lot of success. So here we deal with all these equipments from various countries. Although they are from various countries, the technologies are varied. Understanding the technology before using an equipment is very important to become a successful groundwater surveyor. We are here to train you on the concept about how to select a product, how the product works on the real ground data, how to match the data to get high accuracy. So we are always welcome you to be with us. In case if you are having a plan to enter into the groundwater industry, you can always call us to the provided phone number so that we give you the complete training demonstration before purchase of the product, so that we can understand the complete technological difficulties in the market as well as how to solve those difficulties and to become a successful surveyor. Thank you.